Get her. I don't think that's gonna do it, Enzo.
He's like, I'm gonna throw a book at her. Just like Dad does. Whoop. You're klutz, dude.
Give me a break, I'm 10 months old. How are you gonna get to her?
Figure it out. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Go get her.
I think he's just never had this much of an opportunity to just look at her, you know, and she's just staying there.
Your hair's crazy. It's all matted down now. Look creepy.
You slide it up the couch. Done.
Enzo, where you going?
New things.